Good afternoon. So we got this tacked in and cut down. We parked the door jamb up there, got that tacked in. I still got to cut that off right there, that ugly piece right there. Got it tacked in on top though. So now I'm going to start working on straightening this up. Yeah, it's pretty messed up. I'm gonna have to take this door jamb back out, take it back apart, get it to fit up, take that piece out, put a proper radius in, and then I'll start working on this piece up here, start building all that in. The boys are digging out some trucks for me to take parts off of. And a modern Chevrolet, some latches, and another old Chevy truck for some door jambs, and we'll get it all put together. All right, we'll see you in a bit.